The objective on the design for this retail park was to provide something of real high quality with an aesthetic difference to a typical commercial development. The initial concept for this project was to clad the buildings in timber. Picking up key challenges of the warranty and the tenant specifications really kind of led us down the route to choose Accoya.
As a product itself, Accoya is great for us because it opens up a whole world of opportunity which normal timber kind of fails on. So when we're talking to clients, whether that be residential or commercial clients, about what this product is going to look like in 5 years or 10 years time, specifying something like Accoya, you know it's also going to be aesthetically the same in 5, 10, 15 years, but also you're not going to get any of the discoloration or twisting or movement within it. So it's basically peace of mind for us and the client who we're installing it for.
Phase 1 of the retail park was completed 5 years ago using Accoya. Phase 2 is just being completed this year. It's clear to see there's no difference between the products applied to Phase 2 recently and to the timber applied 5 years ago. It's weathered really, really well and looks brand new as when it was fitted. On this particular retail park, we chose to use a natural colour because the environment is semi-rural, being in Northumberland. So it was key for us to use a sustainable product, something that would look a bit more natural in the environment.
We would definitely recommend Accoya to other architects, purely down to the fact that it opens up a whole world of specification for natural timber products in a commercial environment where historically it's been incredibly difficult to get warranties or peace of mind during kind of specification and ongoing install to satisfy a commercial client.
We would certainly use Accoya again in the future. It's fantastic as a commercial architect to have a product like this, which is sustainable and natural, but can be used in a commercial environment.